In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Jaguar. Let's go.
Jaguar wheel spacers are safe to use as long as the wheel spacers are installed correctly. And now let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Jaguar correctly. Loosen the lug nut on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence using a cross spanner, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stand to support each end of the car. Remove lug nut on the front wheel side using a cross spanner. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. A key advantage of BONOSS Jaguar wheel spacers is the active cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Jaguar wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Install the BONOSS active cooling Jaguar wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. Install the rim and then install the stock nut. Use a cross spanner to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque spanner to tighten the lug nut to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.